Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 80. So what is the value of x? Now, let's provide a solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. So this means we have 8 to the power of x plus x. This is equal to 80. So that now here we have 8 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 80. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power of 2x. This is equal to log 80. Now, log 8 to the power of 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then we find that log 8 to the power of 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 80. So let's divide both sides by log 8. And also here we have log 8. Now, let's simplify log 8 and log 8 so that we have 2x. This is equal to log 80 divided by log 8. Now, the next step is that we can express 80. This is the same thing as 16 multiplied by 5. So we have 2x. This is equal to log 16 multiplied by 5. Everything here divided by log 8. Now we have that log 16 times 5. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, we have 2x. This is equal to log 16 divided by log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. Now, the next step is that we can express 16. This is 2 to the power of 4, and 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 3. So this implies we have 2x. This is equal to log 2 to the power of 4 divided by log 2 to the power of 3, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. Now, let's apply the power rule property here so that we have 2x. This is equal to log 2 to the power of 4 becomes 4 log 2 divided by 3 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 3 log 2. So let's simplify here log 2 and log 2 so that now 2x, this is equal to 4 over 3, then plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 divided by log 2. Now, log 5 over log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this logarithm property so that now we have 2x. This is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 to base 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. And this implies that we have x is equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by a half, then plus 1 over 3 multiplied by a half. This is log 5 to base 2. So let's simplify here. 4 divided by 2, this is 2. And then this means x is equal to 2 over 3 plus, this is 1 over 3 times 2. This is 6. Then log 5 to base 2. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now, the next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 8 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. And since this is in the form of 8 to the power of n times 8 to the power of m, which can be expressed as 8 to the power of n plus m, this implies we have 8 to the power of x plus x, and this is equal to 80. So we have 8 to the power of 2x. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. So let's substitute the value of x here so that we have 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by x, which is 2 over 3, plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. We can express 8. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 into the parentheses. This is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. And this should give us a value of 80. Now, let's simplify 3 and 3 here so that we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2, which is 4. Then plus 3 and 3 here simplifies. We have 2, 2 and 2 simplifies. So this is log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now, 2 to the power of 4 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of 8 to the power of n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. So 2 to the power of 4, this is equal to 16. So this implies that here we have 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2, and this should give us a value of 80. So 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this should give us a value of b. So this means that 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5. So let's substitute 5 so that we have 16 multiplied by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. And this implies that 16 times 5, this is 80, which is equal to 80. So this means that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this proves that the value of x, which is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.